What's up, Level Up family? This video right here is going to be an update about the truck, and also is going to be a video on installing ceiling fans. But before we can get into this video, I need you guys to smash that like button, and if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you can be notified every time a new video is uploaded. All right, now let's get into this video. All right, so this is what? Day 2, or put it in Monday. Day 3. The truck has been in the shop. I talked to them yesterday. They said that they think that it is the DEF pump filter that went bad. So, they doing process of elimination. It's leaking from the housing part. So they can't tell if it's the line or if the pump went bad. So in the codes that were thrown were saying that it was a low pressure. So it could say that, it's really hard to tell if it's the line or the pump. So just to be on the safe side, I'm going to just change the line and I'm going to change the pump just so that I know that, I'll be good for later on down the line in the future. I'd rather be safe than sorry and try to go the cheap way and just fix one thing. But I just rather fix the lines, just fix it all so that I can get back running and don't have to worry about this problem ever again, hopefully. But in the meantime, while the truck is in the shop and I'm just sitting home bored, doing nothing, my brother has a rental property and 2 of his ceiling fans has went down and he needs them put up. He bought 2 new ones and he needs them put up. So I used to be an electrician. I went to school for it before I got my CDLs. So I'm going to go over there and I'm going to give him a helping hand putting these, well, I'm not going to give him a helping hand because he's not going to help. I'm going to put them up myself. But yeah, I'm going to go over there and put these ceiling fans up and I'm going to bring you guys along. So come on with me. All right, so we are in the unit, and before I get everything situated, first thing I want to do is make sure I cut the power off because I don't work on nothing live. Second fan up. All right, y'all. So I'm back home. I tried to get as much footage as I could, but it wasn't too much footage I could get, just because of the tenant being there in the house, and really didn't want to catch them on camera or anything, or have them thinking suspicious like that. I'm just trying to record that place or anything, but really I was just trying to record me hanging up the ceiling fans. But yeah, that's it. I got a call earlier. They said that they think they found the issue, so they doing a process of elimination. So, you know, hopefully it's Wednesday. Yeah, hopefully we could find something, hear something back later. At least get the truck back tomorrow, because the load that I actually was picked up, I had somebody, you know, lined up to take it, but it was just too much going on for them to be able to take it, and they had other stuff to worry about. So I'm still sitting on that same load that I picked up Monday morning, but I got them to reschedule me an appointment, which it delivers in Denver, Pennsylvania, Friday morning at 5:30 a.m. So we just gonna hope and pray that they can get this truck ready tomorrow, so I could pick this up. I could pick the truck up and I could deliver this little Friday and at least make some type of money for this week. But if y'all made it this far in the video and y'all haven't already, please smash that like button. And if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and ring that bell so that you can be notified every time a new video is uploaded. All right, but y'all stay safe out there, and I catch y'all at the next video.